Hey, it's Chad with Rocky Mountain Crane. Coming to your crane, if you have some sort of a fault issue which is preventing your crane from starting or performing its single function, we're going to ask you to check the fault messages, which is located here in your LMI. Looking on your screen, hit the escape button, which will put us into the driving screen is number one. We'll hit select or enter. Our first menu there is messages. We'll hit enter again. That'll show us our faults, possible causes, and help us troubleshoot to get the crane started and back up and running for you as soon as possible.